Hey there. Imagine you have a lemonade stand, and at the end of the week, you want to know how much money you made, how much you spent, and whether you're rich or just broke. That's where financial statements come in. They're like a report card for your business. And today, we're going to make financial statements and analysis super simple. Let's dive in. Here's a basic definition. Financial statements are formal records that show how much money a business is making, spending, and owning. And financial analysis means looking closely at those statements to understand if the business is doing well or not. It's like checking your game score. Did you win or lose? The three main financial statements. There are three big stars in the financial world. Income statement, profit and loss, shows how much you earned and how much you spent. If you sold lemonade for $500 but spent $300 on lemons and cups, your profit is $200. Balance sheet shows what you own and what you owe. You own $1,000 worth of supplies, but you borrowed $300 from your friend, so your net worth is $700. Cash flow statement tells where your cash is coming from and going. You earned $500, spent $300, and saved $200. Boom! What is financial analysis? Now comes the cool detective work. Financial analysis. You look at your statements and ask, are you spending too much? Are sales going up or down? Can you grow your business? It's like being a money scientist in your own lab. A famous quote by Warren Buffett, one of the world's richest men: accounting is the language of business, and learning to read financial statements is like learning to speak business fluently. Why it matters. Whether it's a chai stall or a tech startup, every business uses financial statements. Here's why they're important. Helps you make better decisions. Shows if your business is healthy. Helps banks and investors trust you. Tells you when to grow or slow down. Even Apple and Google use these reports to decide what to do next. So next time you sell cookies or open a slime shop, remember, financial statements equals your business report card. Financial analysis, your business X-ray. Tell us in the comments, what would your first business sell? Like this video, hit subscribe, and don't miss our next one.